Hello guys, welcome back to Pro Miner. Binance CEO defends donations following crypto charity criticism. Binance CEO, Changpeng Zhao defends the firm's $3 crypto donation for Morocco's earthquake relief amid criticism. Critics argued that it's difficult to convert BNB into Moroccan dirham, and that donations favor Binance users. CZ counters criticism, stating that crypto can be easily converted to cash and that their donations aim to help where possible. For more crypto news updates, subscribe our channel.